Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to make another video of shifting of cargoes with a four-hull vessel. This is in addition to my last video streaming. We will shift cargo from hull number 4 to hull number 1. This time we will have a final trim of 50 centimeters by the stern, or 4.50 meters trim by the stern. So let's start, guys. When making the initial cargo distribution for MV Nara, which is the name of the vessel, you obtain a forward draft of 8.92 meters. So that will be the forward draft, and updraft will be 10.38 meters. You intend to have a trim of 0.50 meters, meaning this will be our final trim by the stern and at departure. So you decided to shift cargo from hold number 4 to hold number 1. Okay? From the quantity of cargo to be shifted to make your plan, 0.50 meters trim by the stern. So this will be our final trim of 0.50 meters by the stern. With this initial draft forward of 8.92 and updraft of 10.38, the main draft would be 9.65 and the initial trim is 1.46 meters. With this trim, we want to reduce this to 50 centimeters or 0.50 meters. To reduce this one, we shift hold number 4 to hold number 1. And with this main drop of 9.65 meters, the MTC is 367.42 and LCF is negative 0.61. We check this one. Main drop is, how much is the main drop? We check again. 9.65. Okay, so we put here 9.65. Forward drop is 9.38. Check. 8.92. Okay, 8.92, and updraft is 10.38. 10.38. So the main drop will be 9.65, which is this one, and the trim will be 1.46. Trim is 1.46 and the MTC is 36742. 36742. 6742 and LCF is negative 0.61. Negative 0.61. For interpolation, we have this main drop of 9.65. LCF is negative 0.61. MTC is 367.42. And these are the figures that we need. Okay? And let's go back to the problem. Find the change of trim. So we have to find this change of trim. So to find the change of trim, we must first put our initial drop of 1.46, which is this one, and our final draft departure trim will be 0.50. We subtract this one, we have the change of trim of 0.96. This will be our change of trim. Okay, just follow these procedures and you will get the final answer of how much weight uh, we need to shift the cargo hold from 4 to 1. Then find the distance for shifting. So you have cargo holds 4 and 1. So you have to find the LCG. Okay, so we go to the picture. This is hold number 1 and this is hold number 4. The LCG of hold number 1 is in the middle and the LCG of hold number 4 is in the middle. From midship, the measurement of getting the LCG is from midship 0 going to hold number 4 in the middle. That will be how much? That will be 34.53. So from this midship, that will be 34.53. That will be positive. And forward will be 49.189. Forward will be, or hold number 1 will be negative 49.181. This one, this is hold number 1 and this hold number 2. Hold number 4. This is negative 49.189. Okay? So from this midship to hold number 1, the middle, that will be 149.81. Is that correct? 149.189. So that will be from here to the middle, that will be 149.189. Negative. Why negative? As I show you in the last video, as the rule says, if a Japanese made ship, LCG forward will be negative, meaning from hold 1 and number 2, this is the forward part of the vessel, that will be negative sign according to the rule here. So forward LCG should be negative, since you are 1 and 2 is in the forward part of the vessel is negative. So 1 and 2 holds is in the forward part of the vessel, so the LCG sign should be negative. Okay, and on the up part, LCG up will be positive, meaning holds 3 and 4 LCG should be positive because they are located in the up part of the vessel. So holds 3 and 4 is found on the up part of the vessel, so this sign of LCG would be positive. Positive LCG of hold number 4 and positive LCG of hold number 3. Okay. Now, you have to find the distance for shifting the cargo. Okay. The distance we're talking about here is the distance from the middle of hold number 4 and the distance of hold number 1, the LCG here. So from here going to hold number 4, the middle, what will be the distance? So that is the required distance for this problem. So from 0 to the middle of number 1, from 0 to the middle of number 4, what will be the total distance from the middle of hold number 1 to hold number 4? And this is the solution. So you add the hold number 1 to plus hold number 4, that will be a total of 83.719. So this LCG from hold number 1 to 0 and LCG of hold number 4 to 0, you add this LCG hold number 1 and LCG hold number 4, the total of that would be 83.719. Okay, and now how to find the weight. This will be, just follow these procedures from 1 to 5, and this is the formula of how to find the weight. Weight equals change of trim, which is this one, change of trim, times MTC, which is this MTC, and times 100, which is constant, over or divide the distance of this one, the distance of between hole 4 and 1. So translate this into figures. Change of trim is 0.96, this one, and MTC multiplied by MTC is this one, 367.42 times the constant of 100 over the distance, this one is 83.19, and the answer would that the total weight would be 421.3 metric tons. So this will be the weight required to shift from hold number 4 to number 1. So the answer, 421.3 metric tons of cargo is shifted from hold number 4 to number 1. So this is the manual solution. Now we go to the Excel. Okay, this is the Excel. Okay, so we have our initial drop of 8.92 and then forward and up is 10.38. Forward is 8.92 and up is 10.38. Okay, then we have a mean drop of 10.65. Then that will be the mean drop. As I always advise, since you have your mean drop, it is my advice that you get the actual reading of your mid drop, forward, mid drop, port, and starboard. So, for example, there's no list. Your mid port is 9.65 and your mid starboard is 9.65. So your mid drop is 9.65. The same with your mid drop. And your since, okay, so you have your mid drop of 9.65. Since you only have to ship your cargo, so your final mid drop will be the same. That will be 9.65. Why? Because you're only shifting your cargo here going to hold number 1. So your main drop will be the same. But if you take out your cargo here, take out all your cargo, of course your main drop will be different. Or you put cargo here in hold number 4, you will put cargo here in number 1. So your main drop will change. So but if you only shift your cargo from number 4 to number 1, your main drop will be the same. Even if you take out your cargo here, you ship it to number 2, your main drop will always be the same. Okay, I hope you get the point there. So now we have the cargo for shifting will be to 421.3. So we'll apply this. This is the manual computation. Now we'll apply it to the Excel program. Okay. Remember the cargo weight for shifting is 421. Okay. So let's go to the Excel. Done. Ito nga ba? Better we put this one. 9.38. So this 10.65 and we put here 9.65. 0.65 9.65. Okay, and your final trim will be 9.65 because you will only ship your cargo. Okay, so let's say we take out, meaning negative 421 metric tons. Okay, so you take out 421 metric tons in hold number 4. Is that correct? Okay, 421. You take out, meaning that will be the negative sign, and you shift it to hold number 1. You just put there 420. Why? If you put 420, you will have a trim of 50 centimeters, which is required. But if you put here the same figure of 421, 421, the program will not read the numbers. Okay, so in this Excel, I think it's best that you put 420. Then you will hit the target of trim of 50 centimeters. Okay, and your final drop forward will be 9.39, and your final up drop will be 9.90. Okay, and your main drop will be 9.64. Look at the mid drop. Mid drop is this one, because you have a actual mid drop of 9.65, which is this one, 9.65. This is the actual reading, so that will also be your final mid drop, because you only have to ship cargoes from hold number 4 to hold number 1. So that will be your mid drop, and this will be your mid drop here, 9.65, and your main drop will be 9.64, which is this one. And with these figures, you will know your deflection, and the deflection is 0. This is the reason why I asked you to put your actual mid drop for the starboard, so that you will know your deflection. And in this case, your deflection is 0. So you have answered your problem, which says you required a trim of 50 centimeters. So from 1.46, your initial trim, you will go down to 50 centimeters if you ship your cargo of 421 metric tons from hold number 4 to hold number 1. So if you ship cargo of 421, you will have a trim of 50 centimeters, which is this one. Now your trim of 50 centimeters, and your final drop forward will be 9.39, and your final drop out will be 9.90. So that's it, guys. I hope you will like the video. If you have any questions or anything that you want to ask, please comment on the comment section. And if you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day.